Imagine this. You're on your deathbed reflecting on your life. What would you want to say to the younger version of yourself? What lessons would you share? Today, we explore just that. Stoic life lessons that men often learn when the sands of time are slipping through their fingers. But fret not, my friends. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or beyond, these lessons can reshape your perspective, enrich your life, and perhaps save you from learning them too late. So, grab a seat, open your mind, and let's embark on this journey into the profound world of Stoic wisdom. Lesson 1. Control what you can control. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus once wisely said, we cannot control our external circumstances, but we can control how we react to them. This simple yet profound idea lies at the heart of our first Stoic life lesson. Control what you can control. Life, as we know, is a tapestry of unpredictable events, a blend of the controllable and the uncontrollable. Picture this. You're sailing on a boat in the vast ocean. The weather, the waves, the elements, they're beyond your control. However, the direction of your sail, the rudder in your hands, that's within your control. This analogy mirrors our lives. We often find ourselves amidst circumstances we cannot change, the external winds of life. But my friends, the Stoics would urge us to turn our attention inward, to the realm where we have agency. The choices we make, the reactions we cultivate. Take a deep breath and reflect. What in your life is beyond your control? And in contrast, what can you steer in the direction you desire? The Stoic lesson here is not about becoming indifferent to the world. It's about investing your energy wisely, focusing on the things that truly matter. Consider how much weight is lifted off your shoulders when you accept the uncontrollable and put your energy into areas of life where you can make a difference. It's a liberation trip, a route to peace and resilience. So my friends, as you navigate the unpredictable seas of life, remember, control what you can control and let the rest unfold. Embrace the freedom that comes with the wisdom to discern between the winds you can change and those you must gracefully sail through. Lesson 2. Embrace discomfort. The Stoics understood that true growth, resilience, and strength emerge not in the calm waters of comfort, but in the turbulent seas of challenge. Seneca, a prominent Stoic philosopher, once remarked, "He who feared death will never achieve something worthy of a man who is alive." Now, let's expand that thought beyond just the fear of death. Imagine for a moment, your comfort zone is like a cozy harbor, a safe haven where your ship is anchored. It's comfortable, predictable, but it's also limiting. The Stoics encourage us to venture out, to set sail into the open sea, even when the waves are daunting. So why should we willingly embrace discomfort? It's here, in the face of adversity, that we discover our true capacities. It's where resilience is forged, where character is tested and refined. Think of discomfort not as an enemy, but as a seasoned sailor guiding you to unexplored territories. Let me ask you this. What discomfort are you avoiding in your life? What challenges, if faced head-on, could transform you into the person you aspire to be? Stoicism teaches us that by willingly embracing discomfort, we become masters of our destiny. As you navigate life's tempests, remember the Stoic invitation to welcome discomfort as a necessary companion on the journey to becoming the captain of your ship. Embrace the storms, and you'll find that even amidst the waves, there's a serenity that comes from knowing you can navigate any sea. Lesson 3. Memento Mori, remember death. It's easy to get caught up in the intricacies of our life and lose sight of the broader picture. Memento Mori, a Latin term that translates to remember death, is a reminder to live with intention rather than fear. Seneca, the ancient Stoic philosopher, once said, "Let us prepare our minds as if we'd come to the very end of life." This isn't about dwelling on morbidity. It's about understanding that our time is finite and every second is a gift. Memento Mori encourages us to live authentically, aligning our actions with our values. It nudges us to cherish the relationships that matter, to pursue our passions, and to contribute positively to the world. Memento Mori encourages us to live authentically, aligning our actions with our values. It nudges us to cherish the relationships that matter, to pursue our passions, and to contribute positively to the world. Remember, life is a precious gift, and by embracing Memento Mori, we can unlock the fullness of its beauty. Lesson 4. Value of time. Time, the silent force that touches every aspect of our existence. It's both our most precious resource and a relentless constant. How we choose to use it shapes the narrative of our lives. It's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. These words echo through the corridors of time, challenging us to reassess our relationship with the most finite resource we possess. Too often, we find ourselves caught in the whirlwind of routine, forgetting that time is a finite currency. The Stoics implore us to reflect on our daily choices, to discern what truly matters in the grand tapestry of our lives. Your life is a magnificent tapestry, and each day is a thread in the grand design. The Stoics invite us to be mindful weavers, conscious of how we thread our days. How often do we squander our moments on trivial pursuits, on things that don't contribute to our well-being or the well-being of others? In the symphony of life, time is the conductor, and each day offers a new movement. Are you playing your part with intention? Are you investing in experiences that enrich your soul, relationships that deepen your connection with others, and pursuits that align with your values? Now, let me be clear. It's not about relentless productivity or a ceaseless pursuit of busyness. The Stoics advocate for a deliberate use of time, a mindful selection of activities that contribute to our flourishing. So, my fellow time travelers, reflect on how you're investing this precious currency. What moments are you creating, and what legacy are you weaving into the fabric of your existence? The value of time is not in its quantity, but in its quality. Let's make each tick of the clock a deliberate stroke on the canvas of a life well lived. Lesson 5. Virtue as the highest good. In the grand tapestry of Stoic philosophy, virtues stand as the radiant threads that weave together a life of meaning and purpose. The Stoics, including the likes of Zeno, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius, championed 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Imagine these virtues as guiding stars, illuminating the path to a life well lived. Each one is a pillar, supporting the structure of our character. So let's embark on a brief exploration of these virtues and understand why the Stoics considered them the highest good. 1. Wisdom. Wisdom in Stoicism goes beyond mere knowledge. It's the application of knowledge to make sound decisions and live a life aligned with nature. In the context of virtue, wisdom involves understanding what is truly valuable in life and having the insight to make choices that contribute to one's well-being and the well-being of others. It's about seeing the bigger picture, considering the long-term consequences of actions, and seeking a deeper understanding of the world. 2. Courage. In Stoicism, courage is defined as the capacity to face fear and misfortune with resilience rather than the absence of dread. It is about holding steadfast in the face of external and internal adversities and retaining inner strength. Courage allows people to face difficult situations, make difficult decisions, and negotiate life's uncertainties without becoming overwhelmed by fear. 3. Justice. Justice, according to the Stoics, is the cornerstone of harmony in both individual and societal contexts. It involves treating others with fairness, kindness, and equality. Justice recognizes the interconnectedness of humanity and emphasizes the importance of contributing to the well-being of the larger community. It's about fostering a sense of fairness and equality in personal interactions and societal structures. 4. Temperance. Temperance is the virtue of finding balance and moderation in all things. It involves exercising self-control and avoiding extremes. In Stoicism, temperance is the art of knowing when to indulge and when to restrain, promoting a life of harmony and avoiding excesses that may lead to negative consequences. As we wrap up this exploration of Stoic virtues in action, I encourage you, my friends, to reflect on how you can integrate wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance into your own journey. What small steps can you take today to embody these virtues in your daily life? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and let's inspire each other on this path to a life of virtue and fulfillment.